I'm privileged to be here in the beautiful city of St. Petersburg and at this conference, and I would like to thank you to the organizers, to Mr. Zakharov and to his staff. I'm here for the second time at this event in St. Petersburg, and I like to meet with old friends, to make new friends and learn the latest developments about soy and livestock industry in Russia. And I think the poultry industry especially is having a bright future together with the swine industry. And I believe that there are a lot of improvements to be done in terms of poultry nutrition, feed manufacturing, and processing.